Nobody wants to play with you.
Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss.
This railing is liable to go right over, so I really, that would not be wise.
You chasing a dog around?
Alright, don't roll your eyes at me, my beautiful daughter. Huh?
Hi. You going over to the fort? Audrey, you gonna go over to the fort?
It's hard with wax, but it's cold.
Oh! You're from Chicago for crying out loud. Is it cold? Oh.
This is Noah and Nora's playhouse that Bill Bupp built. It's pretty impressive, actually. What do you think?
Peekaboo!
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo too.
Well, I mean, it's warmer than outside, so I gotta heat it. We have it.